How do you prevent dangerous condensation drips? Imagine a cold glass of water on a hot day. Water droplets form on the outside because warm air hits the cold surface. That's condensation in action. Now, in buildings or machinery, this process can cause water to drip dangerously, leading to damage or safety issues. So, how can you stop these drips from happening? Let's look at some simple, effective ways. First, keeping surfaces warmer than the dew point is key. The dew point is the temperature where air becomes saturated and water vapor turns into liquid. If a surface is cooler than this, condensation will form. To prevent this, insulate pipes, ducts, or any surfaces prone to moisture buildup. Proper insulation acts like a barrier, reducing heat transfer and keeping the surface temperature above the dew point. For example, pipe insulation should be at least 1 inch thick and made from foam or fiberglass. This can cost around $10 to $20 per foot and take a few hours to install. Second, controlling humidity makes a big difference. High humidity means more moisture in the air, increasing the chance of condensation. Use exhaust fans in kitchens and bathrooms to remove moist air. Dehumidifiers are also helpful. They pull excess moisture out of the air. A good dehumidifier costs between $50 to $200 and can run for several years with proper maintenance. Keeping humidity below 50% is usually enough to prevent most condensation issues. Third, improving airflow around problem areas helps dry out surfaces faster. Circulating air mixes humid air with drier air, reducing moisture buildup. Use fans or vents to promote air movement. For example, installing vents in electrical enclosures can prevent cold spots where moisture might settle. Mechanical fans can be installed in ducts or on walls, costing around $50 to $100, and they work continuously to keep air moving. Fourth, make sure heat-generating equipment is well ventilated. When electrical boxes or machinery are poorly ventilated, they can create cold spots where condensation forms. Adding vents or forced air cooling systems helps maintain a steady temperature inside these enclosures. Regularly check and clean ventilation systems to prevent blockages. Gaps in insulation or damaged materials should be repaired promptly, costing about $20 to $50 depending on the size of the repair. In summary, to prevent dangerous condensation drips, keep surfaces warm with insulation, reduce humidity through ventilation and dehumidifiers, improve airflow with fans or vents, and ensure equipment is properly ventilated and maintained. These steps relying on the basic principles of thermodynamics, where controlling temperature and moisture levels stops water vapor from turning into liquid and causing problems. By managing these factors, you can keep your surroundings dry, safe, and free from harmful drips.